In this video, I'll show you how to launch a token on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Dexscreener profile, right? This is our Dexscreener profile, and this is our Moonshot by Dexscreener, right? So I'm going to show you how you can launch your own token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener and achieve the same exact result. So this video basically would be a live experiment video, and this video is for educational purpose only. I'm doing this video to share my thoughts on the insights and how you can launch your own token here on Moonshot. So at first you need to have some Solana on your Phantom wallet, right? You need to have like $7 or $8 for you to make this happen. So I have $7.5 here on my Solana wallet, right? So once you're done with that, you can connect your wallet. You can connect your Dexscreener to your Phantom wallet. I made a video about that. Ensure you go to my channel. This is the video. I think this. Okay, I made a video about how you can use Moonshot on Dexscreener. Ensure you check it out. And I also made a video about how you can connect your Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener. Just go on my channel and check out the video, right? So yeah, so this is it. I think this is how to create Phantom wallet on PC. Yeah, this is the video with over 260 views already. How to connect your Phantom wallet to Dexscreener. Ensure you go to my channel and check out that video. So without wasting much time, let's head over to what we need to do, right? So click on this launch your tokens. Once you have clicked it, you wait for it to load. Give it a few seconds for it to open. Once it has opened, you'd select this. Your Dex should be Radium. You'd get to Solana once your token migrates to Dexscreener, right? So the token symbol right here, it would be one soul, right? So the token name would be just buy $1 worth of soul. The description, I'll come on here, I'll copy this as well. I'll paste it here, right here. Then your icon, I already downloaded an icon already, so I'm going to use the icon I downloaded previously before this video. Then the banner would be this. Then if you got a website you want to add, if you got some Twitter accounts, your Telegram, your Discord, and any other link you want to add, you can do that as well, right? So this is basically how you can launch your own token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Look at the settings. Look at the settings. It takes just a few seconds, right? You need only 0.25 so to deploy. So this is it. The token symbol is here, the token name, the token description. I've added the bot icons I need to add. So basically, because this is a test video, there's no need adding any website, adding any Twitter accounts, Telegram, Discord, or any other additional link, right? So once I'm done with this, I'll click on this. I agree to the Moonshot terms and conditions and token profile policy. You click on this launch token. At first, your token would be set up automatically to sign transaction, to submit the transaction, then it would confirm the transaction. Once it is done, the token would go live automatically. So let's wait for this to load. Give it a few seconds. So you guys should see everything you need to see. I'm not going to pause any parts of this video. This is going to be a full breakdown live experiment video, so you guys need to see it. So I wait for it a few seconds for it to load. Failed preparing, something went wrong. Okay, I'll try again. So most times it can be Solana conjunctions, right? That might make this not to deploy automatically. So let's still wait for a few seconds and see what its outcomes, right? So it's setting up. Let's see. These same issues. Okay, yeah, so it's loading currently. Token has been set up, so balance are estimated, amount and assets are not guaranteed. I'll click on this confirm, right? Our transaction has been signed. our transaction has been submitted. Our transaction is submitting. So this is it. I just launched a token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. $1 is now live on Moonshot. Just buy $1 worth of Solana. So I'm going to wait for this token to become available on Dexscreener right now. So this is it. I'm waiting. So go to my token page. That's what I need to click. Then let's see how this token has gotten $7,000 market cap automatically. You can see this $7,000 market cap automatically. So this is it. This was a live experiment, and this was how far we went. I think we got just a buy. Someone bought $213. He bought $30 million. He bought 30 million pieces worth of one Solana. So if I go here, this is our token. So whenever you see this token on Moonshot by Dexscreener, just know that I'm the one that launched this token, and this was basically a test video, right? So you can see this, just buy $1 worth of Solana. So this is the video. So this is the token, right? So this is it. You can check the audits. It's mintable. It's not mintable. It's not freezable. So you can see it was amazing, right? It was amazing. So if I come on here, you can see the charts. So this is it. So this is how you can launch a token on Moonshot by Dexscreener. You need just $7 worth of Solana, right? $7 or $8 worth of Solana to make this happen. And you can see people already buying this my token. Someone here just bought $35 worth of this token right here. That is 4 million pieces. Someone bought 30 million pieces already, and you can check through this person wallet. You can see he bought $213. He hasn't sold any, right? So this same guy bought $35, hasn't sold any. So this is it. So this is our token. Our token is live here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. So this token is just 2 minutes old, right? 2 minutes old, and it already has $7.2 thousand market cap. So someone bought again. The person bought 32 Solana, $32 worth of this our token. So you can see we are getting some buys. So let's see how it's gonna go. So this is the progress, 7.2 the lot of Solana, and this is our token. If you want to buy this token, if you have, let's say, $1,000, can get you $137 million worth of this token. Yeah. So this is the buy, this is the sell. If you want to buy, you can use this. If you want to sell, you can use this. So this is it right here. So far we got just 3 buys. No one has sold. Just $249 volume. Just 3 makers, 3 transactions. So I think this is cool in a way, right? I think this is cool in a way. So this is how you can launch a token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Remember, you need just $7, $7.5, or let's just say $8 or $9 worth of Solana to launch your own token here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. This is basically a live experiment video we launched with our profile picture, with our banner, with the symbol, and we have gotten $7.2 thousand market cap, right? And our token is currently trading for 0.057262 per one. And from here you can see 3 people bought, no one has sold yet, and the graph is looking pretty amazing, right? Looking pretty amazing. So if you got any questions you want to ask me, ensure you do that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. Let me know whenever you want me to make these kinds of videos. In my next video, I would show you guys how this token letter went, right? So I'll see you guys in the very next one.